Hello world, welcome to codingscientist.com. We are on lesson number 2. In this lesson, I am going to talk about now what is an alarm clock. Funny Python alarm clock. So everybody knows what is an alarm clock, right? So let me share you the IDE so that you can take a look at the code. So basically, as the title suggests, our task here is to write a Python code or a Python script which basically creates an alarm clock. So this is the script, this is the code in front of you. So for this particular task, I am basically using the date and time module in Python. So date and time module is inbuilt within the Python at the day you install, or if it is not there, you can take a look at my one of my series of videos where I had showed you how to install ton loads of applications. So the date and time module in Python is to create an alarm clock, and the sound library which we installed in the lesson number 0, I showed you how to install those libraries in Python to play the alarm sound. The date and time module comes pre-installed in Python programming language, so you can easily import it in your program. The play sound library which you install, I hope you guys have already installed it looking at lesson number 0, right? This particular library can be easily installed using pip command and the pip install play sound command, right? So I hope you are ready with that and also with the OS system. So let's go ahead and run this program, and it's a pretty simple and straightforward code, guys. So basically, after importing the library, you know, I'm putting all this logics into the while loop, and within the while loop I'm creating multiple if conditions so that you can set the alarm and then finally play the sound using the play sound library, and then you can break it, you can stop it. So let's run this code and I will show you how this works. All right, there you go. In the terminal you can see enter the time of an alarm to be set. So, and the format to set is hours, minutes and seconds. By the way, you can change that format here, guys. You can change it in the code. If you have the basic understanding on Python, you can play around with this set of code and you can change it. So let me run this again. All right, hours, minutes and seconds. So let's say 14 colon minutes is say anything, say 13, and seconds 12, and you hit enter, setting up the alarm. So you'll have to definitely wait for that particular time, 14, 13 and 12. So as soon as the system clock, your system, whether you are using a Jetson Nano or Windows operating system or any other Linux operating system, the system clocks take that particular hour and it triggers an alarm. So that's what this particular app, a simple app, does. All right, guys. So this is a pretty simple application. Again, like the previous one, it's for for beginners and very easy to understand. Going forward, in the next probably 5, 6 or 10 different videos, apps are going to be a little simple, and after that it's going to get more and complex. By the way, I am going to show you Avengers and Spider-Man and Thanos gaming stuffs as well, so that's going to get really interesting. All right, guys, see you until then. Goodbye.